All right. Today's date is March 1st, 2026. It's a Sunday. But the sun come up every day. So I had some goals for the year, and they kind of, certain things materialized, certain things kind of fell by the wayside, kind of sort of not really. So the YouTube goal becomes not a 12 out of 12. So how close can you get to perfection? The other goal was to have a merch unboxing every month this year, and we're going to be 3 for 3 with that. And then the last goal, this is questo è soggetto 153. In 2025, we had 368. We keep up this pace on a linear pace. We're on pace for 900 for the year. I think we'll get past the 368. I think we'll get past the 368. It's March 1st, Sunday, 2026, and we're at 153. 153. The goal for just now was to find, the aerial view. Because we got the Barbie jersey coming. And I'm like, yeah, it's gonna be nice. I wanted to show off the Yeezys. I found like if it's not aerial, what do you call that? What's the opposite of aerial view? But I got a view and that was like, the first time I was like, oh yeah, I gotta fix the tongue on the shoes. I did that yesterday. And then today, just now, it's like, well, let me try to go the opposite way, aerial view, because it's gonna be the Barbie jersey. So, got 2 of our goals are still achievable. And one is, can still be, you can track the progress.